Prayer has a framework. If you follow the framework by faith, you will get results. It's your boy Ryan Harness with your Tryism for today. Truth, revelation, and instruction. So check this out. It's very important for us to realize that regardless of the name that it's been given, what Jesus explained to his disciples is not really the Lord's Prayer. It's a motto, a framework for prayer. In other words, you don't need to repeat the words of this prayer exactly, but you should instead use the framework, the pattern. See, as we have seen, prayer is approaching God in order to ask him to accomplish his will in the earth. See, Christ taught his disciples this, how to fulfill this purpose. In doing so, he gave them a motto to follow. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive our sins as we forgive those that sin against us. And do not lead us into temptation, but deliver us from the evil one. That is a motto, and not the prayer he wanted you to follow. It's just a framework, people.